Hey Patrick, Zach Honig from the Points Guy here. Going to show you my new suite on the 777-300ER. So this is Emirates. It's the first fully enclosed suite. So as you can see, there's a roof right up here. I'm in 1E. And go inside. I have a center suite, which means I have virtual windows. And this is pretty cool. So there's cameras on the side of the plane, and it's actually projecting to these LCD panels right here. Got a little touch screen that I can use, and there's a camera there. I can communicate with the flight attendants to place an order. I've got this writing kit here. There's a mirror, vanity, some Dom Perignon champagne, snack basket. We've got mini bars. There's 2 on this aircraft. Big 32-inch screen. And then over here, there's a little panel that I can use to control everything. So this is climate controlled, which is super cool. I can set the temperature in my own suite, so I don't have to depend on the crew for that. I can also adjust all the lighting. So there's custom colors. I can change the lights to blue, green, and you can see them right there, and then also overhead. So